What's up guys, Nokia is back again. Evidence suggests Nokia 9.3 PureView 5G launch is near. The Nokia 9.3 PureView is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, and the new evidence suggests HMD Global recently started preparing things for its commercial release in fourth quarter. Sources with the knowledge of matter have revealed that listing for official Nokia 9.3 PureView cases has started popping up at retailer. Screenshot and links haven't been published at the request of the source, but the Nokia power users had confirmed their authenticity. This lines up with the recently launched timeline rumors and ultimately suggests the device could have shelves by October. According to Nokia power user, the smartphone is in pre-launch file testing at the moment and production is scheduled for September. The Nokia 9 PureView successor should be featuring a 6.3-inch Pure display version 3 completed with minimal bezels and aluminum frame and gloss body. To compete with other premium flagship, 120 Hz of refresh rate is reportedly planned too. That will be coupled with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset and a 5G network connectivity. At least 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage as expected as well. Although an 8GB or 256GB variant is said to be in the work. Completing the package is going to be an updated penta camera module complete with Zenith optics and, according to rumor, 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. The selfie camera should boost a 32 megapixel resolution and may sit below the display. HMD Global Nokia 9.3 PureView should be going official in October at dedicated event. There is no concrete pricing information, but certain rumors point towards the $799 price tag for 6GB and 128GB model. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Nokia 9.3? Well, it is going to be a game changer for Nokia. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.